What is a good cost per lead on Google Ads? So what's a good cost per lead? It really depends. A good cost per lead is simply one your business can profit from. And here's the thing, work out what a lead is worth to you, then factor in how many actually convert. If a customer is worth £500 and 1 in 5 leads closes, you can happily pay a fair bit per lead. So don't chase the lowest number, chase the one that still leaves you in the profit. A cheap lead that never buys is the most expensive lead of all. A quick win today? Write down your lead value and your close rate. That's your real target. How do I lower my Google Ads cost per lead fast? Want a lower cost per lead fast? Of course you do. Start with these easy wins. First, add negative keywords. Open your search terms report and block the junk you're paying for. Next, tighten your match types. Swap broad match for phrase or maybe exact match. Then fix your landing page. Cut the form down to the essentials. Fewer fields mean more leads. None of this needs a bigger budget. It just stops you wasting the one you already got. Do these 3 this week and watch your CPL start to drop. Why is my Google Ads cost per lead so high? The problem is that your keywords might be too broad, so you're paying for clicks that never convert. Your negative keyword list might be too thin, letting junk searches through, or your landing page is leaking. Great clicks land on a weak page and bounce. And if your tracking is broken, Google bids on bad data and pushes your costs up. So the fix is plug the leaks one by one. Start with tracking, then keywords, and then your page. It's a structure problem, not a budget problem. How long does it take to reduce CPL on Google Ads? You started to fix your ads. So when does the cost per lead actually drop down? Some changes work almost instantly. Add negative keywords and you stop wasting money that same day. Bigger changes take a little bit longer. Landing pages and bidding need a couple of weeks to settle. Give Google time to relearn after every change. Don't panic and tweak everything at once. In most accounts, you'll see a real drop within 30 days. The key is consistency. Small fixes every week add up fast. How do I know if my Google Ads leads are good quality? You're getting leads, that's good. But are they any good? Here's how you know. Track every lead all the way through to a sale. If your cheap leads never buy, they aren't really cheap, are they? They're costing you time and money. Watch your close rate, not just your cost per lead. Then do this. Import your offline conversion data from your CRM into Google Ads. Now, Google learns which leads turn into real customers and chases more of them. Quality beats cheap every single time.